Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fantastic tutorial lined up for you on how to create a slow DNS server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for fast and secure browsing. If you're looking for more hidden tricks about VPNs, make sure to visit our blog. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. In the search results, find the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll see a menu button, typically located in the top corner. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, click on Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create a slow DNS server, and you'll be directed to the server location selection page. Now, select your preferred server location. Once you've made your selection, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your username and complete the CAPTCHA, then click Create Now. Your server details will be generated and displayed within seconds. Make sure to take note of the details or copy them for the next steps. Now let's move on to setting up your slow DNS server on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Dark Tunnel VPN app installed. Head over to the Play Store on your device, search for Dark Tunnel, and install it if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it. On the app's home screen, click the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu list. From the options, click Tunnel Type. A new window will pop up. Select SSH through DNSTT. A small window will appear on the home page. Now, copy the username and password from the DNSTT server we created earlier and paste them into the required fields. In the UDP DNS field, paste Google's DNS 8.8.853 in the given format. Next, copy and paste the server name and public key into the required fields, making sure to use the same format provided when adding the data. Once all the data is entered correctly, click the Connect button to start enjoying fast and secure browsing. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.